We're touring because Australia is hosting the G20, and whilst the G20 are here, they're going to be talking about the global financial situation, and they're going to be focusing on how the G20 countries can recover from the global financial crisis. To remain silent will see our way of life eroded here in Australia. We believe that there's a practical and relatively easy solution.
There are alternative choices to the ones that the government intends to be undertaking. We know they can raise the money for public health care and other important public services if they make the right decisions. One decision is to close the loopholes enabling tax avoidance. The other is to introduce a Robin Hood tax here in Australia. Instead of shifting our public health services further down the track of an Americanised two-tier health system, a Robin Hood tax would help fund the continued delivery of equitable, universal public health care for all Australians.
The Robin Hood tax is about evening up the tax system and getting the bigger end of town to pay taxes which often they manage to avoid.
It's a minuscule amount, but because there are trillions of transactions, that in fact adds up to quite a lot of money.
What we've got here is a campaign that actually nice and easy to understand. The Robin Hood feature of it really brings it close to a lot of people's hearts. It actually brings back a little bit of the class struggle.
We do have a better, fairer country when everyone has equal access, universal access to health care, no matter what they have in their hip pockets.
The Medicare co-payment, increasing the amount of co-payment for the PBS would effectively impose a bigger tax on the poorest in society, the people who can least afford it. This tax would only hit the big end of town.
It will not only raise revenue but help stabilise the financial markets. That would be a wonderful thing.
Working on 0.05% in Australia, we'd look at, say, 12 billion over 4 years. The problem is the lack of political will or commitment to the tax.
It is time for Australia to contribute constructively to international discussions regarding an effective financial transactions tax.
Hopefully all the people that were here, even if they go and talk to 10 people and those 10 people then start talking about it to other people, the word will spread.
Bring the Robin Hood